I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: an active modem and a device capable of sharing via Ethernet. Plug the modem into the router WAN port or directly into the PC's Ethernet port if using internet connection sharing. Once done, connect one end of a Cat5e/6 cable to the modem or host device and the other to the router WAN or PC LAN. Make sure LEDs indicate a physical link. If not, try another cable or port to eliminate hardware faults before proceeding. You now configure sharing. Log into the router's web UI and set WAN type, DHCP, PPPoE, or static. If the host is a PC, enable internet connection sharing on Windows or internet sharing on Mac OS, assigning a local subnet like 192.168.1.0/24. For Linux, enable IP forwarding and NAT with iptables or NF tables and run a DHCP server. Once configured, connect client devices to the router LAN or switch so they receive addresses and gateway info automatically. You finish by testing connectivity. On a client, confirm IP, gateway, and DNS, then ping 8.8.8.8 and load a web page. Make sure the router firewall and Wi-Fi security are set. Change default passwords. If clients can ping LAN but not the internet, restart modem and router in sequence, modem first, then confirm WAN credentials or ISP authentication. As a troubleshooting tip, swap the Ethernet cable and test a different router port. Physical link faults are the most common silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.